volleyball around. Please.
Oh.
Guys, we are now here at All Day looking for pancakes. And pancit canton. Ferdy's just bringing a volleyball around. It's expensive though. Ay, charot. Wait lang. I'll check how much it is. I'm gonna tweak if there's no pancakes here. We found the pancit canton, but there's no pancake mixes. We made it to CJ's house, guys.
Yay!
It's just Nina we're waiting for. Oh! Whoa! That child right there is gonna be a pro athlete.
Oh!
Carmela!
My ball!
We are what? This is what's happening right now, guys. We're gonna buy eggs.
Wait, I'm gonna get my water.
Do you see her phone right here? Let's see, what's her password? I don't know.
Secrets.
I will spell secrets. Nope. You suck.
You suck.
Brother. Bella. Good. That's his OC.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, you have a mini camera.
Yeah, I saw that in Math Advance and he pictured me there, guys. Oh.
Okay, guys, let's go.
Oh.
Wow. Mary Poppins.
Yeah.
Mary Poppins core.
Away.
She is. We just went to Alphamart just to buy eggs. That's you?
Yeah.
You're Heart Evangelista? Oh my gosh, it's you!
I should color my hair.
Yeah, you should. We're now walking back to the Shark Castle.
I like the pink one.
The pink one?
Very. Let's go there.
Yeah, you pay.
Okay.
Deliver us all. Okay guys, we made it to the Shark Castle. We are alive. Yeah, and pancakes also. So here's what we're gonna cook for today. Pancakes and pancit canton. The Maya way. The Marian Carlos way.
Yes.
Yeah, we're gonna use a lot of butter.
Wait.
Yeah, whisk, CJ?
Whisk?
Yeah.
Do we need a whisk?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
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 Wait.
Melt the butter first.
Don't know.
This is the pancake mix. We're gonna open it now.
Just vote, just vote.
Just go.
I know I'm gonna be out, so just vote. I know
No.
I'll be out.
This is how to make pancakes in the Maya Carlos way.
Let's watch it.
We're gonna use 2
Yeah.
packs.
2 pack.
Yeah.
Because
7 pancakes a day.
What?
we don't do that.
You don't do that?
Oh my gosh, guys.
Take your own.
Save that for later. Just
Doing that.
Just go. Straight man. I'm sorry.
Oh, you're offending Ferdy, ah.
What?
Except for him.
I didn't hear.
Wait.
Please don't include it. I won't do it. Memories bring back, memories bring back you.
Squid Game.
Mama Lobat. Bye, vlog!
Appalachian sunrise meets my